Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the heated seat functionality in your Nissan Sentra cars and in other cars that are compatible. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. So guys, if you have a car like Nissan Sentra, you do get a functionality that is very useful for you, that is called heated seats. So that's what I'm going to show you here. So here you can see that just next to your gears you have two buttons here. So this first one is for the driver and the second one is for the co-passenger. So if you push it forward, it's like high, and this is neutral, and if you want to reduce, you can go for this low. So that means it puts heating in place, and that's really useful when you're driving under winter conditions and your car is standing outside for so long. So if you want to quickly get comfortable in the car before you allow your other systems to come up to the temperature level, this is a very good facility to be used. So that's how it works, guys. Please let me know how it worked for you, and if you come across any question, any suggestion, please let me know. Thank you.